We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video, I will show you how to clear paper jam on your Epson WorkForce Pro WF-3720 printer. This printer only has about 3 locations that your paper will get jammed. The output tray, the rear cover, and the paper tray. So let's check them out one by one. Alright guys, so first you're going to look at the output tray where the paper comes out of the printer. If you see any paper stuck here in your output tray, then you'll gently want to pull it out and discard it. If the output tray is clear and you don't see a jam there, then you'll want to move on to the next step. Next, you want to check the paper tray at the bottom of the printer. You want to pull it out and look for any jammed paper or foreign objects. If you find any, go ahead and remove them carefully and make sure the paper is loaded correctly. Then push the paper tray back in to the printer until it locks into place. Alright guys, finally you'll want to flip the printer to the back and you'll see 2 buttons on the rear cover. Press them simultaneously to open the cover and check for jammed paper inside. If you find any, you'll want to gently pull it up and out. Clear your jam, close the cover securely. Alright guys, that's it. You have successfully cleared your jam on your Epson WorkForce Pro WF-3720 printer. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.